On. Okay? Diony, what happened to your eyes? What will happen? What will happen if you watch phone? Tasya. Ikapindik. You're a baby. How about Kuya?
Papa Pedo.
Ha?
Papa Pedo.
Papa pinalay?
Pedo.
Ha?
Pedo.
What?
Pedo.
Alay pindo.
Pedo.
Pasangkrit alay.
Pasakit. Papa pasakit.
What?
Papa pasakit.
Papa is
Pasakit.
Sanskrit. Can you speak English? You count by 1, 2, 3 be.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11,
13,
12,
14,
14,
16,
19,
18, 20.
20. King Mac, what did you learn at school? What did you do?
Mama,
May, what did you do at school?
peeing.
Peeing? Your teacher peeing?
Yes.
Is she beautiful? Beautiful? Suway may? Suway ma?
Eka pay katong. Loy katong.
Luy katong? Where's your kratong?
There.
Siya lew?
Sialaw.
Right tama.
Kuya.
Kuya namkeng. And then Erika tamalay. Tam siya.
Katat.
Agoy, you destroy it. You destroy the kratong.
Yeah.
Uyay. We don't have kratong.
Pasi katong luway.
Paisa ha? Siti na eh.
So, tunod.
Titi na yan.
Mi katong luway. Eka lang.
You cry?
Mimi katoliw.
You cry? And then Erika cry ah.
And then, eka kor pa. Kuya kor.
Kuya cry too.
Kuya kor too.
What is the name of your kuya?
Teacher.
May, what is the name of your kuya?
Eka.
May, siya alay, kuya.
Sina keng.
Namkeng. Namkeng is?
Si Ili.
Eric. May say, Cedric.
Huh?
Cedric. Kuya is fat or no?
No.
May uwan ah.
One.
Ha?
One.
Babe, buksi.
One.
Oh may. Namkeng.
Na keng.
Namkeng alay.
Na keng. Laya.
What happened? What's that?
Tea. Tea.
Chi? Have a key? Alay key.
Tea.
Key ma?
Ma.
Men? You smell?
Mimi na. Ni Mimi tea ni.
Hmm?
Mimi tea.
Hmm.
Sana super na ya.
Where's the moon?
Sana super.
Where's the moon? Maybe.
Sana super na ya.
Painay?
Lewa.
Never mind. Come here na.
Papa ti lewa.
Painay? Come here. Let's see. Where's the moon?
Pa tea.
Hmm.
Tea.